Welcome everyone to Sudharma's physics classroom. Today let's see a magic. I have a tumbler with water and lot of color pencils. I'm going to show you the magic using a pencil. You can see the pencil. It's a full pencil. I'm just going to drop it in this tumbler containing water. What happened now? Let's see. It bent, right? It became pieces. How many pieces it became now? Just observe. You can see one in the water and one just floating there on the water surface and another piece in air, right? Let me just see it is broken or not. I'm just taking it out. Nothing happened to the pencil, right? I know really many of you know the answer behind this, right? It's not a magic. There is a very crystal clear scientific principle behind this. Yes, it's because of refraction of light. What is refraction of light? You can see the image of the pencil looks bent. It's not actually bent, right? The pencil is not bent. And you can see when I observe it from above, you don't see any difference, right? I'm just observing it directly from above. You don't see any difference in the shape of the pencil, but when I'm observing from other sides or from other angles, you can see different shapes for this pencil. So this is because of refraction of light. So what is refraction of light? When light passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, the path of the light will change. The light will bend. Okay, so the path, the rays of light will be bending. So here the light from the pencil, rays of light from the pencil, it bends. So that is what we are seeing through the bending of this pencil. So we have three transparent media here. One is air, another one is water, and the third one is glass. Okay, all of you can try this experiment at home. It's very interesting to see. You can try observing from different angles. So what happens, what making this refraction possible? You know, the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And when light enters from air to another transparent medium, the speed of light will be decreasing. Okay, so we define it in terms of optical density or refractive index of the medium. So we'll learn that in detail in higher grades. Especially we start learning about refractive index in grade 10. Okay, so the speed of light changes and that makes the bending of the light rays. Okay, so let's try it with some other colors. Let me just drop all these pencils into it. It looks so beautiful. It bends and it looks so beautiful. Let's see, I'll show you what happened with all these colors. Even when we try with colors, there is another science behind that. See, it looks so beautiful. Just observe the interface, the transparent boundary between air and water. We are observing it through air, from air through glass and water, right? So you can see clearly the boundary. It looks so beautiful, right? So this is because of refraction. It's not a magic, it's pure science. So hope you understood the principle behind the bending of light. Thank you for watching. If you are seeing this video for the first time, if you are first time to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, and you get more and more notifications. So see you soon with another interesting scientific experiment. Thank you for watching. Bye.